So here we have a 10, 12-year-old restoration. This car has been driven hard, it's been driven a lot, it's been taken to the racetrack, it's been driven there, we've had a lot of fun with it. Along the way, we let it set for a little bit and are now coming back around to it. When you're looking over a car, you pretty much have to have a lift. You put it up on the lift with a light and you basically go through stuff. We just could see moisture. We saw some dirt on the inside of the left rear wheel, which is either an axle seal leak or more likely a brake cylinder leak. This has drum brakes in the back, discs in the front. You know, we saw the evidence of some coolant leaking along the firewall where the heater hose is going. And that's probably just tightening up the hose clamp a little bit, but you don't know until you get into it. So essentially you just need to go through the car head to toe. We noticed we've got some exhaust leaks. We've got some exhaust rubbing, so we'll have to heat and bend and weld and basically just fix all these little things that have happened to this car over the years to make it perfect. And this is all part of the sorting process. I mean, people think they just finish a car, they jump in and go, but it's pretty much a never-ending process of repairing and improving and replacing parts. So yeah, again, I mean, this isn't a daily driver, but we've put 10, 20,000 miles on this thing, and it's been more than a decade. And again, there's been periods of sitting, which is almost as bad as, or even worse than hard driving. So, you know, this is a fairly common scenario. Are we broken-hearted or disappointed? I mean, there's a few things we weren't expecting, but you know, we've pretty much seen it all, done it all, and fixed it all, and we'll do it again with this one. You know, another thing to consider is the age of the tires. I mean, the tires are wear items. These tires have date codes from 2011, so they're at least a dozen years old, and you're not going to run tires at highway speeds safely that are that old. So we like to replace tires every 7, 8, 9 years. You know, there's some debate as to exactly how often, but I'm not going to run high speeds with 11-year-old tires or track days, that's for sure. If you've got an older restoration and you use it, or even if you don't use it, you know, this inspection is something you should do at least annually. You should get the car, if you don't have a lift or the knowledge that we do, take it to a place and have them look it over. I mean, there are easy things to fix, but easy things to fix can get worse and can get dangerous pretty quickly. So look your car over, do what you got to do to keep it up and enjoy it. If you like this sort of stuff, go to classicmotorsports.com for updates. We've got everything we've ever done on this car, and like and subscribe to our channel, please.